After you've created your weekly schedule in a Seesaw post, you can go in and copy that post and update it for each week so that you don't need to recreate that schedule over and over. To do this, go to your schedule post, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, click on Copy and Edit. This will open up a copy of your schedule post. Now you can go in and edit your dates and change your links to your activities. If you've locked down any of these items, when you tap on them to edit them, you'll see this little note, Unlock to Edit. So go to your three dots, click on Unlock, and now you can go in and you can edit things like your date. So if this page is for Monday the 28th of September, I can update that. I could go back now and I can lock that back down so that if students swipe over that with their finger, it won't move around on the page. Then I can come into my first activity and go to my three dots, unlock that, go back to my three dots. I am going to put in a link here. So I'm going to take out this old link. So I'll just swipe across that and hit delete. And now I'm going to copy the new website URL or student activity link from my new activities for Monday. To do that, I'm going to open up a second tab to make copying and pasting quick and easy. In this tab, I'm just going to type in app.seesaw.me at the top, and it is going to open up a second tab in Seesaw for me. And I will go over here to my Activities tab, and I'll go to my new guided reading activity. And on that, I will come down to the three dots in the bottom right corner. I'll tap that and get student link. Then I'm going to copy this link right here. I'll close up that box and I'll jump back over to my other tab, and I will come in here and I will paste in that activity link or URL, and I'll tap on the green check to save that. Then I can go back to my three dots and I can lock that icon back down. So again, if students swipe over that, it won't move around. So I can just keep repeating that process, going through and grabbing my new activity links, unlocking those items, putting in my new URL until I get my new schedule done. Once my schedule is finished, I can go ahead and click on that green check mark. I'm going to assign that to all of the students in my class. And now I have a new schedule posted in my class. So this will really save me a lot of time in Seesaw just by going back to the three dots each week and copy and edit so that I can make a new copy of this weekly schedule and just update my dates and my links and keep reusing this schedule.